Hey guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Ekupuz W005 massage gun. We're going to find out if this massage gun is any good and if it's really worth purchasing. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please hit that like and subscribe button to support your boy. I'd really appreciate that. We hit our goal of 30 likes in one of my previous videos, so thank you so much again guys for constantly supporting the channel. Let's set a goal of 35 likes before the next video upload, which I know you guys can easily smash. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the Ekupuz W005 is a deep tissue massage gun which contains 30 different adjustable modes that provide muscle relaxation, tension relief and rehabilitation using its high torque motor providing 3,200 strokes per minute. The massage gun is great for providing blood flow and relieving lactic acid buildup throughout your body. It has a runtime of 6 to 8 hours when fully charged using the 2500 mAh battery built inside. The massage gun is also fairly quiet at 35 decibels and has an LCD display which allows you to control the speed and rate of the vibrations. Finally, the Ekupuz W005 contains a range of attachments which provide 12mm amplitude to help you penetrate deep tissue muscles throughout your body. In regards to the product breakdown, the device weighs roughly around 1.5 kg and has a height of 30 centimeters. The material is made from plastic which feels pretty strong and solid. On front, you have the input where you can insert your attachments. On the side, you have the Ekupuz logo, as well as the 2500 mAh battery, which has a textured silicone grip, making it easy to hold. Towards the bottom, you have the master power switch, as well as the charging input. Towards the back, you have the LCD screen, which contains the power button, the 30-level mode setting, up and down buttons to cycle through the different modes, and the battery level remaining. Finally, on top, you have the motor which dispenses heat when using the Ekupuz massage gun. In terms of packaging, on front you have the Ekupuz logo as well as an image of the massage gun. In addition, you also get product information and an image of the attachments included inside. On the side, you have a list of product features. And finally, towards the back, you have an image of the attachments included, product information, and a safety warning when using the massage gun. Inside the box, you get the Ekupuz massage gun, as well as a carrying case for your device and attachments. You also get a round head attachment, which can be used throughout your body, a ballet head, which is ideal for your chest, a U-shaped massage head for your spine, Achilles and neck, a flat head for full body massage, a crescent head for your shoulders and leg, a flat head again for your full body, one power supply to charge your massage gun, and finally a user manual on how to use your device. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Start by ensuring your device is charged and then insert your attachment. Turn on the master switch and the power LED light as well as the LCD screen should then appear. Select the power button, adjust your massage mode, and you should be good to go from here. Now for some testing. I wanted to see how well the massage gun would do after performing activities such as driving, working out, running, and even when waking up in the morning and coming out of the shower. After driving for a couple of hours and using the massage gun on my foot and calf muscles, the massage gun did an amazing job when setting the massage mode to level 4. Even when using the gun after my run and workout, I could really feel the massage gun working into my muscles and relieving any pain I was feeling at massage mode level 10. However, what truly blew me away was using the massage gun first thing in the morning. Now, I'm not sure if any of you guys also feel the same way, but my mornings are literally the toughest part of my day, and I feel absolutely shattered when trying to wake up. Honestly, if it wasn't for work, I would literally be in bed all day. However, when using the massage gun at level 20, I can honestly say that after 2 to 3 minutes using the massage gun, I felt so much more alert and awake. Finally, when using the massage gun on level 30, any pain I was feeling was instantly removed after 2 to 3 minutes of using the Ekupuz massage gun. Before we summarize guys, if you found today's video helpful or just simply enjoyed watching it, please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it really does mean a lot to me. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, If you're watching this now and thinking, should I buy this product? Then the answer is yes. Stop everything you're doing right now and get this device ASAP. I can literally talk to you guys all day and tell you how amazing this massage gun really is, but the second you experience a session using the Ekupuz W005, you'll honestly never look back. In addition to the relaxation it gives you, it's also really good for health and fitness purposes, as it helps promote blood flow and muscle warm-up to prevent injuries. If you find yourself driving a lot, working out, running, and performing day-to-day activities that cause you muscle aches and pain, then the Ekupuz massage gun is a device you should definitely look into. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Ekupuz massage gun from Amazon for around £60. However, Ekupuz have kindly sponsored today's video, and you can find a link to their product portfolio, including the W005 massage gun, in the description below. But that's all from me, guys. Are you a fan of massage guns? And is the Ekupuz W005 a device that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.